Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another episode of the Driving Society. So, tonight, we've got a little car meet, well, a cruise plan. Unfortunately, due to budget constraints, the new MPS isn't going to be making an appearance, nor is the old one. However, we have Mitchell. Hello.
Hello.
Mitchell is going to be our Uber for the evening. Oh, nice floor.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Mitchell's the Uber. Let's go. So, Mitchell, what seems to be the issue here?
Absolutely nothing.
That's awesome. So what are we playing with?
Toys.
So, do you want to explain to the audience what this is?
This is a tyre pumpery.
So you got an inflator at your house?
Yeah.
You heard it here first. Mitchell's service station, opening soon.
Sure.
Quick disclaimer, it's not actually an opening servo, so don't come here please, thank you. So, Mitch also copped a new addition to the Golf, a chop sticker, courtesy of Mighty Car Mods. Thank you guys. You guys do amazing work and keep inspiring us every day. Keep it up.
Not sponsored. Not sponsored.
Yet. Surely we get a Mighty Car Mods sponsorship. That'd be sick.
We should make a Mighty Car Mods tribute car eventually. Just a complete shitbox.
We should get them to help us modify one of our cars. That'd be sick.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true.
I think we ended up in the wrong area, but the right area at the same time.
Area at the right time.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll still go. We'll just hang here for a bit though. This is sick. Look at the lineup. Holy fucking shit. Facts. This is nuts. So this is the twin turbo Huracan. We think. We're not 100% sure. That is so unnecessary, but at the same time, so necessary. It's probably rocked up at the wrong meet. We don't meet the requirements. We don't make at least 600 horsepower.
And we don't have a front man in the cooler.
Well, Mitch does.
Yes.
And so does Mitch.
Oh, did I get it on video? That's the question. I think I got the wheel chipping. Right.
Ooh.
Dunk. Yeah, you can't really see
Ouch.
it. But
That hurt. OG Dad. Fuck cancer. Yes, we're definitely at the wrong place, but the right place at the same time.
in our heads.
This is so dumb. We shouldn't be here. We really shouldn't be here. But look at the size of that.
You want some engine for your turbo?
Legit.
This is great.
This is ridiculous. This is so dumb. We should not be at this meet. Holy shit. Look at the 370 wheels on this Supra though. I really like this. I really like the 370 wheels on this actually.
Yeah, I'm just particular.
Prices.
You'll see one rip and everyone's gonna be gone. Their engines are sticking out of the hood. That's exciting.
Okay, this is dumb.
This is cool.
Okay, I think we made the right decision turning off the freeway. But anyway, we're now gonna head to the spit. We'll hopefully get some rolling shots along. Well, We shouldn't, but we're going to. I rate
peer
that.
pressure.
I rate that.
I was behind that for a bit. That's what I was following when I got in front of you guys.
That's so sick. But yeah, now we're gonna go to the spit and yeah. Surely give us some revs. Just a little bit.
Dude, your tips are longer than my lifespan.
My tips are longer than my year.
Give us some
you've
baby
got
revs.
That's baby.
It cracked.
Okay, can we have a little bit? Can we have like child revs?
How high do you want it?
Like
7
3, 4. So I need an exhaust for my car.
Me too.
Does it shoot flames?
No, but
Don't do it here. Do it on the way. I'll film it on the freeway. It's manual, yeah.
you can't really hear it on the freeway
Yeah,
though.
that's a good point. We should redline it here.
We should do. Maybe not red line it, but like 5. 5?
Alright.
Surely 5. Okay.
Pull out.
So he's got a Mazda engine, basically. Yeah, maybe pull out first. Save it for later. Pull out. Yeah, so we're following Midge and Midge. Mitch has a sick exhaust. Mitch doesn't. Mitch has a fast car. Mitch doesn't.
Well,
Sorry, Mitch has a fast car. Mitch doesn't. Mitch has good brakes. Mitch doesn't.
is the ST not fast?
It's a 1.6, so it's not as fast. As if.
I was not ready for that.
I wasn't either. We're gonna get chopped anyway.
I was not expecting that. That was like a rush. That was like a panic change to third.
Oh, there's better traction than Mitch's car because his just scrubs.
Oh, no.
This isn't us. I don't think anyway. Let's hit the spit, so we're nearly there. I'd love to do a meet in there, like that'd be a perfect car park for a meet.
Looks like there's one going on there.
Bike meet. Or
What are we meeting for?
can't park meet. Beat my meat.
This is the top back half of their car meet.
Yeah. Beat my meat. Hey! I know you, you're that guy on YouTube.
Where did we for? I don't know what for.
Who?
Mitch.
Oh,
I think, does he want us to go in front?
probably. Why not?
You know where we're going.
Yeah, of course. It's just at the end of the show. Pretty fat.
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Looks like it, mate.
It definitely is.
That was a Scarlet. That was look at that. Did you not notice the
Is that a stock Starlet?
No. I mean, it's that.
a decent cloud more than you, mate.
No, that had a 4E FTE in it. That's going to conclude the vlog for tonight. We're whispering because the parents are asleep. But yeah, quick jump frame to tomorrow in 3, 2, 1. Good morning.
White girl at a concert.
Story.
I'm trying to get through to see the before and after. I'm just.
So,
Oh, did you see this?
yeah, nice.
Millimeter.
So, we're doing like a DIY on Nick's car in the middle of Cars and Coffee. So, we've got the absolutely filthy clouded headlights, and then we've got the polished.
Which one goes first? The green?
Pink. It says it on the back. And then we got the polished, clean, looks really clear and smooth, nice headlights now.
That's the one.
Can we turn the lights on to like get a before and after of the lights, please? How much better does that look?
Oh, it does.
Like, that's shit, and that's...
Especially the markers.
Yeah. You can really see them now, actually, yeah. Well, yeah. The lighting's sort of not great, but yeah. At least we can see Nick's headlights now. Let's give you guys a bit of a montage. It's been a while. So, name a more iconic duo than tow trucks and stages. This baby holds so much V10. Ravi, there's a running stage here. Runs pretty well.
All over the road.
It runs pretty well. That's just about going to sum up the vlog for today. We're going to hit the mandatory Macca's run, but yeah, that'll be it. So down below, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Comment any ideas of anything you want to see in the future, but that's it guys. Have a great week. Peace.